Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet a Tunisian crochet leaf plus how to make a keychain out of it. So here we make a slip knot. After slip knot we will make 5 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now we will be using only one thread of every single stitch. Okay, now one loop is already on the needle. After that, from each single stitch we will make incomplete double crochet stitch. So like we will yarn over and pull through from 2 loops and then leave 1 loop on the needle. So this we are going to do in every single stitch. See, so with every stitch one loop is adding on my needle. So 1 loop was already there on my needle and we made 5 chain crochet stitches, so there will be 5 incomplete double crochet stitches. That means 5 loops will be there. So 5 plus 1 6, in total 6 loops will be there by end of the stitches, by end of the line. Now see, 1 loop was already there and 5 loops more, so we have total 6 loops on our needle. Now we will yarn over and pull through from first loop. Okay, after that we will yarn over and pull through from 2 loops, these 2, then these 2, till end. Okay, now half portion of our leaf is complete. Okay, now we will just turn our work. Please adjust your needle as we turn our work. Okay, same thing. Now here also we will be using only one thread of each stitch and we will make 5 incomplete stitch double crochet stitches. So like again 1 loop is already on the needle and we will give 5 more loops on the needle, so total 6 loops. Same thing we have to do. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. If you people want to refer double crochet stitches, tutorial video is already placed on my YouTube channel. Link is already there in description. You can refer. It's a very slow demonstration tutorial and with written notes, so like it will be easy to understand. So if you want to refer, you can refer. So here again we get 6 loops on the needle. Again we will yarn over and pull through from first loop, and after that yarn over, pull through from 2 loops till end. Please ignore background sound, my kid is playing. Now see, here we are done. Now again turn your work and adjust your needle. Now we are going to make slip stitch in these small threads which are coming in front in the first row. Okay, can you see? In complete design in first row you can see those small threads, slanting threads coming in front. So we will be making slip stitch in each single thread. Now when we are done with the last slanting thread and last slip stitch, now we will make 3 chain crochet stitches and join it with the first chain crochet stitch that we started the work with the slip stitch. Okay, again we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, and again we will start making those slip stitch with those front row slanting threads, slanting threads. Okay, of this side. Yeah, with them again we will make 1 slip stitch in each thread. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now when we are done with the last slip stitch, now we will make a single crochet stitch with the first stitch. See, we are going to make a single crochet stitch and then a chain crochet and one more chain crochet. Okay, and now we will make a slip stitch with the first chain crochet we made. Okay, this gives us a point for a leaf. Okay, now see, if you just pull both sides apart, you get in middle, you get threads. Okay, we are going to make slip stitch in each middle thread. See, and keep your yarn behind the leaf. So this is how you are going to make slip stitch in between, so you get that middle line of the leaf. Here, and now we will just make a slip stitch and our leaf is complete. So it's a very simple leaf, and if you want to turn it into a keychain, just make a chain crochet stitches as long as you want. Join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and just attach your keychain to it. I'll show you that also, how you will attach. So this is how a simple Tunisian crochet leaf looks like. As I told you, just make a chain crochet and you can attach a keychain to it. You can decorate it more. See this, I have made a keychain out of it and it's so beautiful. So like, if you have liked the video, please like, comment and share. And those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not subscribed, I'll request you, please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.